Hi everyone, and welcome along to our trip to Mackinac Island. Hope you enjoy.
On our way to dock number 3. Take the boat across to Mackinac Island, about a mile away. Didn't want to drive the car and leave it there. We left it at the hotel. Thank you.
We're taking Star Ferries across to the island today. We brought our bikes along. The total price for the ferry across with bikes was $84 for the day. Ticket there and return trip.
He's in your...
We have to wait for a few minutes for everyone to debark before they bring our bikes to us. So it'll be just a minute for us to get our bikes and we'll be on our way. Alright, she has her bike already, and here is mine, and just a short walk until we're in town. Horses and bikes are the main way around town. Matter of fact, they're the only way around town. That's all you'll see is people riding bikes and horses with the carriages, different types of carriages. Some from the hotels, some that are just for people to take around the island. We're on the main road out of the city right now, out of the town. It's Circle Island. It's 8 miles long. It takes you past all the old houses and mansions and takes you through a lot of the scenery on the island. So we'll be stopping along the way to see some of the scenery. So as we're exiting out of the town, you'll see some of the big hotels with all the beautiful flowers right on the beach. Most of them have some type of chairs, lawn chairs and stuff set up for people to relax and enjoy the view. So here we're taking a little ride down by the water. The lake levels have been very high the last couple of years, and some of these roads were washed out recently. This road was okay. It ended up having some water across it, but the views were just absolutely beautiful here. And here's a section where you can see the water still crossing the road. It's not bad. It's just a little bit of what was left from the recent high waters. Now this is as far as we can go on this trail. They have rock piled up the rest of the way. The road was evidently washed out, and they put rock here to go ahead and keep the water from rising. We were lucky today. We had an absolutely beautiful day, not a cloud in the sky. It was a bit cool, but it's perfect for riding. Temperatures couldn't have been better. And here's a little map of the island that you can take a look at and see. I don't do a real good job of getting it, but I'll put a little picture of it up on the screen. Now it's down the road just a little bit to the arch. It's probably one of the most beautiful things on the island to see. Everybody always stops to see the arch. It's 207 steps from this level to the top where the arch is at. But it's worth the hike, it's worth the climb. It's very beautiful. I'll show you some photos in just a minute. So here we are at the top now after climbing 207 steps to the top of the arch. And what a beautiful view. This is looking out over the lake from up the top. And then a little bit of a hike on back down. We didn't take the steps, we ended up hiking down some of these trails to go on back down. Here is one of the horse-drawn carriages that take the people around the island. There's various stops along the way. There's the arch, obviously. There's Skull Cave. There's many other places that those horse-drawn carriages stop at. As we continue our ride around the island, you can see how pristine, how clean everything is. It's very well taken care of. Unlike some of the other parks we've been to, they have people that come out, clean up after everything. If a horse has to go do its duty, it's picked up immediately. People throw trash down, they come and pick that up. It's absolutely pristine here. And now the beautiful Grand Hotel. From here are spectacular. The hotel itself is absolutely stunning. And we're coming back into town now. This is a back road. We'll take it down just a little bit and make a quick turn, and we will be in town. We can do a little bit of shopping, maybe get something to eat. We had a Mackinac Island coffee. You can see she's got some type of frozen drink in her hand. Now we're going to walk on down the street, do a little bit of shopping, and finish up at the very end of the street. There's some beautiful views. When we get to the end of the street here, you can see a couple beautiful lighthouses. And also the port to which the ferries pull into. Very beautiful way in. As we're walking down to the beach, you'll see one of the Star Ferries coming up. They run every hour on the hour to the island and every half hour on the half hour from the island back to St. Ignace. We stayed in St. Ignace this time. We did not stay in Mackinac City. But the trip is shorter and St. Ignace is beautiful. It also aided with our trip. We went up north after this to Whitefish Point. And here we have the Mackinac Bridge. This was after we returned from the island. This was on our way back home, on the way out of Mackinac. What a wonderful vacation. Had a great time. If you enjoyed my video, please give me a thumbs up and a like. And I hope to see you back again next time.